Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted Facebook Messenger messages. This is very important. A lot of people have a lot of mail, a lot of notifications, so sometimes they simply delete something that they shouldn't. First of all, let's click on the Messenger app itself. Next step, you want to click on the top left corner when you see the three straight lines. You click on them and then you click on the fourth option, which is archive. When you click on archive here, you will be able to find all the messages, comments, including from stories, from your friends, posts, something that you comment, something that you interact, something that you send, even messages that you removed from Facebook Marketplace. For example, somebody lists something that you want to buy, you had questions for, you message, you bought the item, or you simply didn't add more interest with it. You delete the message will be simply here. You can scroll down and you will find messages that are here since at least 2020, 2021. This is very important because in any case, if you simply had a communication that you deleted, and this communication should be here in the archive. If you had old communication, chat messages, comments that you did not delete, this simply will be on the history on the feed and it will not be in the archive. So if you guys looking for something over here, you can simply hold on the actual messages in the archive and restore the message back to the location where it appeared first. This means that if you comment something on Facebook Marketplace, by clicking restore, the comment will go back. If you comment on someone else's story, the comment will go back and reappear on the story itself. Chats and any other example of communication that you previously had and you deleted manually will appear here and will be able to be simply recovered from here. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted Facebook Messenger messages. This is very important. A lot of people have a lot of mail, a lot of notifications, so sometimes they simply delete something that they shouldn't. First of all, let's click on the Messenger app itself. Next step, you want to click on the top left corner when you see the three straight lines. You click on them and then you click on the fourth option, which is archive. When you click on archive here, you will be able to find all the messages, comments, including from stories, from your friends, posts, something that you comment, something that you interact, something that you send, even messages that you removed from Facebook Marketplace. For example, somebody lists something that you want to buy, you had questions for, you message, you bought the item, or you simply didn't add more interest with it. You delete the message will be simply here. You can scroll down and you will find messages that are here since at least 2020, 2021. This is very important because in any case, if you simply had a communication that you deleted, and this communication should be here in the archive. If you had old communication, chat messages, comments that you did not delete, this simply will be on the history on the feed and it will not be in the archive. So if you guys looking for something over here, you can simply hold on the actual messages in the archive and restore the message back to the location where it appeared first. This means that if you comment something on Facebook Marketplace, by clicking restore, the comment will go back. If you comment on someone else's story, the comment will go back and reappear on the story itself. Chats and any other example of communication that you previously had and you deleted manually will appear here and will be able to be simply recovered from here. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. You want to go all the way down to the right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then you want to go all the way up where is the gear icon to the top right corner. You click on the gear icon. Then you want to scroll all the way down where you actually see blocking. It's almost in the middle of the screen, right before the payment section. You click on blocking, and now you will have a list of pages and people that you block. All you gotta do, it's on the right side, you will have the button to unblock them. Very important, once when you block someone, that person can no longer see things that you post, either on your timeline, when you tag someone or someone tag you on image or photo. Also invites for friends in the events or groups, conversation that you're starting, events, your important celebrations still will not be available. After you unblock them, simply means that they will be able to start seeing all of your content, even the previous content that you publish. For example, if you block someone last month and this month you unblock this person, the moment when you unblock the person or the page, they will be simply able to see not only today's content after you unblock them, but all the content that previously was published by you. So you want to make sure that you are aware of that. Also, quick note, this doesn't include apps, games, or groups you both participate in. This means that even if you block someone and if you guys are part of the same app, part of the same game, part of the same group, you're still going to see each other, which is the downside of the app. So you want to make sure that keep this in mind. You want to make sure that if there is a particular picture or event or a video that you block a person that you don't want him or her to see it, now you have to unblock them for a variety of reasons, work or whatsoever. The moment when you unblock them, they can go back and see on the particular date what did you actually post or where you actually went. So if you still want to hide particular content, you want to make sure that you go back to the content and you change the visibility. You can change who can see this picture or this video, and you can filter to particular people of your friend list, okay? Still, you go there, you put the people that you don't want to see the picture or the video, then you want to go back and then unblock them. Subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger on iPhone. First thing first, you want to click on the Messenger, and this time around I want you to hold your finger on the actual icon. You want to hold on it and you will have the option to remove the app. Clicking on remove app doesn't mean that you're going to automatically remove the messenger and delete the messenger. This will simply give you two options, in which option number one will be to delete the app, which essentially means that you're going to uninstall the app and the app will no longer be on the device. Or option number two, which is remove from the whole screen, which essentially means that the shortcut for Messenger will no longer appear, but the app still will be installed and still will be on the back end of the actual software. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to achieve. Do you want just to hide the shortcut icon from the actual start menu, or you want to uninstall the app itself? This is very, very important. There's a major difference in between. So you want to make sure that you click on the option that actually suits you, because there is a vast difference. If you delete by mistake, you have to go back to the iOS App Store and you have to download again, and then you have to input your login and password. So if you really want to delete it, you want to make sure you have saved up your password and login information, because at some point you might simply want to go back and log in or download the app. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Messenger. Facebook has been doing a lot of updates and changes, and things are getting more and more complicated. It is harder and harder to find the actual menu. So let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Messenger app. Now you want to go on the top left corner where you have the three stripes. You click on them. Then when you have your account page pull on the side, you want to click on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will go into your settings. You want to scroll all the way down. When you're all the way down on the account center meta, you want to click on see more account center. When you're here, you want to click on password and security. It's almost at the end of the menu. When you click on password and security, you have the option to see security checks. This will help you to review the security issues and where you actually log in, which devices you log in, which emails, and how you can actually log out from some of those devices or pages or websites. So you click on where you're currently logged in. Here you will find all the accounts that you currently log in. You will see which account is associated with what device. For example, you have a tablet, you have a laptop, and you have another phone that are all currently logged in into your account. Very important, this function will also show you all the linked accounts. For example, if you're running a couple of different Instagram pages, and if you link these pages with Facebook, and I bet you already did, well, you will have the option to actually remove the devices that are currently logged in, either on the Facebook account, on Messenger account, or on Instagram account. This is very helpful because you will be able to change your settings once for all of the accounts at the same time. You don't have to go individually on Instagram settings or Facebook settings, or here in this particular case with Messenger settings. But as you saw, it is getting harder and harder, and they try to essentially hide this particular function. I'm not gonna be surprised if future you might not be able to delete your account, and you have to send an email with the inquiry for you to get your account deleted. It will not be an option for you manually to click delete my account or deactivate my account. This is my expectation and my own personal opinion. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsend messages on Messenger. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Messenger app. And for this example, I choose to send a message to Meta AI. Meta AI is the newest chatbot system that actually supports and provides help services for people that essentially experiencing issues on the platform. So this is how you're going to go about it. I'm going to say hi Meta, right? And I can press and hold on my personal message. So I can actually unsend the message, and there is two different options. Option number one is unsend the message for everyone, meaning that the person that you send the message to will not receive the message, and you're not going to have the message on your message box either. The second option is only unsend for you, meaning that the person will receive the message, will read the message, could reply to the message, but on your side will simply be an empty box. We'll have a small line which it says message unsent. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, this message will be unsent for you. Other chat members will still be able to see it. This is why they will be able to reply to you. You see, they're still replying to us, but we actually unsent the message. So it looks like they're communicating between each other. They're not talking to us because we simply delete the middle connection of the message. This is how you can go about it. Please, guys, pay very close attention what you actually trying to achieve. There is a huge difference between unsent message from your site and unsent message for everyone. Because if you send a message and they receive the message and you see that they saw the message, you cannot unsend the message for everyone. The only thing you could do in this case is just to unsend the message for you, which I don't know, might work in some cases for you, just to not have it on your site, on your own history. But this is how you're gonna go about it. This is why you have to act fast when you send a message by mistake. For example, text to someone that you shouldn't. Mistakes happen. Sometimes the messenger is so slow, and you click on one profile, but it opens another. So this is why you're gonna be very fast. If you're slow, then you have to unsend for your site and then message to the other person, explaining that this is a mistake. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on the Messenger app. This is very important video, guys. You want to make sure that you follow very closely so you don't make any mistake. Let's launch the Messenger app right now. The first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to click on the top left corner where you see the three straight lines. When you're at your settings, I want you to click on the gear icon. When you're at the settings of your messenger, I want you to click on privacy and safety. Okay, follow up very closely. Now, if you scroll down to the section that is called security, the second option will be end-to-end encrypted chats. Over here, all we gotta do is to click on the option that is called security alerts. When you're over here, all you gotta do is to click this off. This is contacts keys change. Okay, this simply shows alert in chat when contact keys are changed. So essentially this will disable and will turn off end-to-end encryption in the messenger app. This is very, very careful, guys. I hope you follow step by step. Very important video. I cannot advise you to turn this off. You might have reasons for it. I always keep my own. This is very, very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video on Messenger app. Very, very easy, guys. Let's launch the TikTok app and find the video that we want to share. Let's say you saw this video, you find it interesting and you want to send it to some of your friends on Messenger. You want to click on the arrow under the comment section, and then you want to click on the section over here which is with the icon of Messenger. Very easy, guys, very simple. They will get a link from the actual TikTok and they will be able to watch the video even if they don't have a TikTok account. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger. First of all, let's launch the app. First thing that you want to look is on the top left corner, you see the three stripes, you want to click on them. Then you're going to launch the profile picture and you want to click on the right side where is the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will be brought to your original page settings. Here you want to scroll all the way down and you click on account centers. When you click on account center, the most important part is the second part of the menu, which is essentially personal details. You want to click on personal details and then you will be brought to the completely new menu where is the personal details, account ownership and control. You want to click on account ownership and control, and the following menu will lead you to the decision making process, deactivation or deletion. This is where you can actually choose to deactivate or delete your account, and you can simply choose what is going to be the future of your messenger. Let's click on deactivation or deletion and let's see what are the remaining options and how you can actually proceed. Because remember, it is very important for you to make the right decision. There is a vast difference between deleting or deactivating your account. Remember, all the conversations that you currently have on your messenger, all the files that you shared or were shared with you, will be lost if you delete your account. If you just deactivate your account, you can select a time frame, 3, 5, 6 weeks, 5 months, whatever. Then you can actually go back and start using the messenger again. Now, when you click on deactivation and deletion or deletion, you will see all the accounts associated with this particular login. This means that you might see a Facebook accounts, we might see an Instagram pages. All the accounts that you associated and linked with this particular messenger login will appear here, and then you can make your decision. Should I simply deactivate or delete all of them, or should I deactivate or delete one of them? Again, make sure that you're aware where you're clicking and what's going to be the end result. I want to make sure that you keep all the data, all the information prior you make your final decision. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on Twitter with the recent updates on the monetization system. Let's launch a Twitter app first. Then you want to go ahead and click on the top left corner where is your profile picture. Then you want to look at the last option, which is monetization. You want to click on monetization. Now there are a couple of requirements over here. Some of them are related to the subscription and having the premium, but the other requirements simply numbers as usual. So first thing first, eligible creators can sign up for monthly subscription or receive their payouts for ads revenue sharing. So two options. First, if you are a creator, you can get subscribers, and when people subscribe, they're gonna pay you a small monthly fee as being a subscriber. Second thing, you're going to have a revenue split with Twitter, with X, through the ads revenue sharing. Similar options we have on YouTube and TikTok, right? But let's click over here, subscriptions. Let's see what are the requirements. So first thing first, you have to get verified. You have to get verified. This means you have to provide a government issued ID. You have to have 500 followers at least. You should have been active on the platform for the last 30 days, meaning dead accounts, bot accounts, right? Stuff will not be eligible. And you have to be at least 18 years old. And again, if you click get verified, you're going to see how this actually works. Are you individual? Are you organization? If we click on the second option over here, it's for the ads revenue sharing. Earn income from ads served in the replies to your post. You know how you go through the thread of some nice post that is engaging, and you try to read the comments, right? And in between comments, you will see ads. You will see a lot of companies promoting stuff that sometimes are related to the topic of the video, sometimes they're not. This is the moment you simply realize that this is an ad because it's 100% not related to the post. So let's click on it. This is how it's going to work. Subscribe to the premium or verified organization, right? You have to be premium user. You have to pay on Twitter, okay? Second requirement is to have at least 5 million impressions on your posts within the last 3 months. We're talking about combined, okay guys? Don't worry about it. So for the last 3 months, I believe it's very likely for you to get the 5 million impressions if you post regularly daily. I'm speaking. If you don't post that often, well, then you might have an issue. And the third requirement is the same as the first monetization option, which is to have at least 500 followers. So if you pay for YouTube Premium, right? If you verify yourself, if you have this 5 million impressions and you have over 500 followers, you can simply be eligible and you can get, I don't know how much money. I read the comments, the first batch of people, some of which big accounts, guys, over 100k followers. They were claiming they were paid like $5,000 to $20,000, and this is just from the ads in the comment section. So how does it work? I explained to you. They publish something like, let's say breaking news, and they write a small post, and they have like a video or picture, and in the comments you see a lot of people contributing to the post, and in between the posts you will find these ads. This is how the whole ads revenue generation is coming from, okay? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account. Let's launch Twitter app first. You want to go ahead and click on the top left corner where you see your profile picture. When you're at your profile, I want you to go down and click on settings and support. Then I want you to hit settings and privacy. Then I want you to click on the first option, your account. And then I want you to click on the last option over here, deactivate your account. Remember, they don't have delete your account. Very important note over here. So according to Twitter, after you click deactivate, this will deactivate your account. What this actually means, well, your handle, your username, and your public profile will no longer be viewable, not only on the Twitter platform, but also on iOS and Android. Also, they want you to let you know that they want to let you know that you have 30 days if you change your mind to restore your account. Like every other social media platform, if you have seen my other videos on almost every other social media, we went through the process of deleting or deactivating. It is almost the same. You have 30 days after you click delete, in this case deactivate, right? To go back to recover your account. How? By simply logging in. And as always, they don't have your data on hand. If you want to download your data, your files, your tweets, or whatever information you have stored in the platform, you need to make a special request. And according to them, this request has to be in advance. They cannot give you a specific time frame, how long would it take them to provide you with this information, but you have to do this before you click deactivate your account. This is very, very important. Also, if you paid for YouTube Premium, right, X Premium features, the subscription through the platform simply will be deactivated automatically, will be cancelled with the deactivation of the account. As you can see over here, some account information may still be available in search engines such as Google and Bing. This is very interesting. This potentially could mean that if you had a very engaging post on a particular topic and there were like 100,000 retweets, 100,000 comments, and this means that this might still appear as a saved search result, feeding the Google search queries or Google search engine as a saved post, but when people try to click on it, it won't appear on the X platform. You get what I mean? Sometimes you see something on Google search, might be a picture, might be a text file, might be a PDF. It shows as an information, as a couple of sentence or paragraph, but when you actually click on the source, it simply says that you cannot find the file, or file doesn't exist, or this might actually be the case with you or with your post, because once when they rank, when they hit a particular milestone of engagement, they are very important, not only for the Twitter, for this particular social media, but for the overall search engine optimization. So this is what potentially means. But this is how you can deactivate or delete your Twitter account, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a walkthrough the new layout for beginners using the new Twitter version and rebranded X platform. First of all, guys, I assume you already downloaded the app, you already create your X account. Let's launch the app. First thing you wanna see on the lower left corner is the actual house icon, which provides a feed, something that is recommended for you, as you can see on the top left corner. And on the right side, you can click on people that you are actually following. This is very similar to what you usually see on TikTok. You have a feed that is coming from people that you're following, and you have a feed that is currently recommended from whatever platform you're using. In this case, we have recommendations on For You from the actual Twitter. So this is what is going to happen when you click on the lower right corner. So this is what is going to happen when you click on the actual house icon. The second icon is the actual magnifying glass. Here you will have, first of all, options what is trending for you in your particular niche based on your profile. Are you a public figure? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you into entertainment? Then you will see everything is kind of filtered and segmented into trending. Then you have news, then you have sports, then you have entertainment. It is very similar if you usually end up on the YouTube trending page. First you have trending videos on YouTube, and then everything is kind of broken down into different sections, which is what is trending in entertainment, then what is trending in sports, what is trending in news, and what is trending overall. Something like a Google trending page with top 30 currently trending topics with trending hashtags. Then if you look back down again, you will see the icon which you have like a double figure. If you click on the double figure in the middle, you will see that there are new functions that is called communities, which essentially it's a premium function. If you want to create your own community, you gotta first of all opt in for the subscription, and then you click on the top right corner. You will see that only premium verified subscribers can create the communities. So this is very, very interesting. What I discovered, I don't usually interact with communities, but when you simply go on the communities and when you try to search or look inside some of these communities, you see that there are a lot of things, a lot of information. As you can see over here, very dangerous. You see a lot of bots are promoting stuff. So you want to make sure that you're only interacting or clicking to the places where you exactly know. If you don't want to see that, there is a special option. You go where you see the three dots next to the discover and communities, and you can simply click see less of this. So essentially you're not going to get recommended the groups and the conversations in these communities if you're not up to this. Going back down again, you have the notification bell. If you click it, this is what you're going to get as notifications when someone actually mentions you or somebody posts a reply on your comment. This is also something very helpful and very common sense if you use any other social media. Everything is very, very similar. And the last icon, of course, next to it is the messages. This is where you're going to find any communication, any messages with people that you know, people that you reach out, or someone who actually want to reach us out. Again, messages are available for you only if you allow people to send you messages. Remember, when you go on the gear icon in the top right corner, you can actually opt out and not let people to send you messages. This is how a lot of these big brands and big companies, they have a one official account where they just post content and create brand awareness, and they have a separate account which support. You will go and you will see there's a TikTok account and there is a TikTok support. There is a YouTube account and there is a YouTube support, right? Because they're gonna drag the attention from maintenance and services and help away from the actual brand to a completely different account. So this is what probably you want to consider if you planning to run a brand or company. This is how things are actually split, and essentially you will have in one place only the good stuff and on the other account only the bad stuff, only the complaints and the issues. For more information like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how you can actually grow on Twitter very easy, very fast with this new algorithm updates. Let's launch the Twitter app first. The first thing I want you to do is to click on the search on the magnifying glass on the lower center of the screen. Then you will be served with a lot of important topics over here. I want you to click on the second one, which is trending. When you're at trending, you can essentially go through the current 10 or 15 different trending topics, and I want you to click on each one of these topics, read about it, and find out something that you really can comment on. For example, let's click on Sunday vibes, right? You can simply take a participation. As you can see, somebody just published this one 8 minutes ago and they already have 553 views. As you can see, the same exact account is keep publishing. See, the spam strategy actually works, as crazy as it sounds. Very important is that you want to make sure that you're engaging in different trending topics. For example, there's Sunday vibes and there is Sunday morning. You can also click on Sunday Friday. Do you see what is currently trending? So people are actually hyped about the weekend. So think about the way in which you can contribute, publishing more content, something educational, something relaxing, something enjoyable. This is the way you can scroll and jump through different topics, different trending topics. If every day you come over and click on at least 5 to 7 different trending hashtags or trending topics and you contribute and you get people engaged, you will gain a lot of followers very fast. And let me tell you what is the best thing. The best thing is that you're gonna gain a vast majority of followers from different topics, different categories. So this weekend you have a lot of people hyped about the weekend, right? But next weekend there might be a very interesting topic about, let's say, the weather. And you might go out there and find something interesting about the weather forecast or something, what is about to happen, what is the snow expectations. And next week might be something sporty, right? Some sport events, ski competition, mountain, like hiking. You can go like some trip in the mountain. You can find every single day at least 5 different topics that you can contribute with your content. You can add value to the platform, and simply you have gotten a lot of attention. As you saw with the lady, she got 500, 600 views just after posting in 8 minutes. So think about any other platform in which you can get 500 views as a small creator, right? On a very single moment when you publish. So this is the power of the platform. Also, don't forget that here people are not as distracted as other places because the feed here is mostly text. You have a text feed with some images, of course, but less videos. So you understand that the concept over here in your strategy will be to have a very good text base post, combined with some images or some short video. This is what you want to focus if you want to grow on Twitter in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get followers on Twitter naturally, organically. Let's launch the app and let me walk you through the process. Guys, Twitter has changed a lot since they renamed it to X, and Elon Musk changed a lot of the algorithms and movers around what is popping on your feed and what isn't. Now the priority gets to the people who are subscribed to the premium features of the app. But aside from that, let me explain to you what you really want to focus. So for example, if I really want to join a particular niche or particular community and I want to grow into this community, you want to go and follow the popular voices over here, right? So all these guys popped out on my feed originally without me searching for them or searching any news about it, okay? So all these guys are posting a lot of information about Bitcoin, about crypto in general. Let's say I want to grow into this community. I want to build a future, channel or social media based on the crypto news, everything related to crypto. So I want to go and click on the most recent tweets, right? And you want to go and you want to read what is it about. You want to inform yourself and you want to do a little more research on your own site using whatever. ChatGPT or just Google search, and then you want to go down and you want to find comments that you can really comment on, that you really can engage with, because all these people right over here are 100% crypto maniacs. They're focused on crypto news. They really care about, remember, we're talking about over the weekend, we're talking about every free time that they have, their hop on Twitter and they just comment and just debate. And this is how you can actually engage with all these people and you can build the community. Because if you have a very good communication, very good debate here in the comments, in the thread, right, there is a very high likelihood of a lot of these people coming and following you back. And of course you can follow them back as well. And this is how you build a long-term relationship, especially when we're talking about people from the industry that at some point know more than you, and if you spend enough time you could learn a lot. But this is the only organic way that you can actually do so, simply because if you don't have a subscription for the premium, your content is not pushed from Twitter's algorithm, okay? So if you want to have your content going viral, your threads going viral, essentially most likely you have to be subscribed to the premium. But if you don't want to do that, right, the organic way to do so is simply being part of the communities that you really want to grow. I just give you an example with the crypto community, but there are plenty of communities out there, people who are involved in entertainment, people who are involved in, let's say, fashion or sports, right? Very strong community, the sport community. So you can join and you can just contribute with the value, just give value, just give point of views and ask the right questions, and people will simply help you out, which essentially could transform into a large following. And one day you can become a very, very influential person if you really provide value and people appreciate your point of view. But this is how you can gain a free, very strong following base with the real followers. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you easy and simple how to download Twitter videos. Twitter videos are not available to be downloaded inside the app. You have to use a different type of app. But let's jump into Twitter and let's look for some video that we want to download. Let's scroll down. Let's say we want to download this video over here, this robot, right? You want to click on the video itself. I want you to click on the lower right corner. You see the small arrow that is pointing up. You want to click on it. Then you want to click copy link. After we copy the link on the clipboard, all I want you to do is to go on Google Chrome and find this website over here. It's called sstwitter.com. Okay, you want to paste the link over here and you want to click download. Simple as it is. If you scroll up, scroll down, essentially you're able to download the video in three different quality types. Okay, you're able actually to download the video and to convert it into mp3. So if you want to use the video, for example, if it's like a podcast, you can just use it as a podcast, just a sound, and the app will convert it into mp3. If you just want to download the video as it is, it's no problem with it. Just pick the right quality, and essentially that's it, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.